Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys, and you have a 2.4 GDI engine, you're trying to replace knock sensor. We will explain where it's located, how to remove it and how to get to it. All that will be covered in this video today. So let me introduce you to the channel quick guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this right here is a 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Now, before we start, let me just tell you something quick guys. Many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about the diagnostic tool that we use here quite often and where you can get it from. That's the tool. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can check the current price and features, but it works on almost every car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So things that we have removed here in order to get to the knock sensor. Okay, the only thing that you need to remove is the intake manifold. That's your intake manifold. And if you want to see the complete video how to remove intake manifold on Hyundai Tucson, it's on our channel. Once you remove the intake manifold, you don't need to do anything to the fuel rail or the fuel injectors, but we removed it so we can clearly show you. But you can do it without removing it. If you're not removing the fuel rail, you need to disconnect fuel injector number 3. Okay, the wire, just pull it out and you will get to the knock sensor. It's located right here under the fuel injector. That's your knock sensor if you look at it guys. So that knock sensor, it has only one bolt that attaches with a 12mm socket. So go ahead, get it loose. That one can slip because it's a shallow bolt, so be careful, okay, when you remove it. It's a shallow bolt because it's close to the injector, so it can easily be rounded as well. So go ahead, pull it out. Now, it's very important to do one thing when you install the new one. Make sure it's sent to the end and we'll explain what it is. Otherwise, you may have malfunction with the knock sensor. Squeeze those two things on the side and pull that connector here, that holder. Okay, perfect. And the knock sensor, guys, okay, comes out right there. That's your knock sensor. Now, when you get a new one, what is super important to do? Make sure the new one is extremely clean. There is no contamination such as oil, dust, scent. Make sure you get a sandpaper and just clean this area and wipe it with alcohol to be extremely clean. If you have dust, sand, something stuck between the two, it may not communicate correctly and that can affect the way your engine works as well. So if you want to see how to test knock sensor on a Hyundai vehicle guys, we have the video that will explain how to do that on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.